Hello everyone. So, starting with some positive notes, I would love to welcome you all back to my channel, Mommy's Food Remix. It's been quite a long break, which was much needed, but this time gave me much more opportunities to experiment various new recipes, which I will be sharing with you all. This new series will not be restricted to baking alone, but other cooking recipes, tiffin ideas, and sharing some mom tips. And so, looking forward to your love and support in reaching this goal. Once again, a very warm welcome to my channel. See you all.